Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Camel Law of Legal podcast, looking at recent cases. This edition we look at a DWI case called State versus Jones. And now previously the United States Supreme Court in Missouri versus McNeely had held that typically police would now need a warrant to obtain blood, and that was a departure from the Schmerber case. How does that case pan out in New Jersey? Well, let's say the New Jersey Appellate Division held an accident with an unconscious driver was exigency for the police to take the blood. So the difference between McNeely versus or Missouri versus McNeely is in that case there was no accident and the police believed the person was under the influence. They took blood. In this case, Jones, viewing the totality of the circumstances, the court was satisfied that an objective exigency existed, and the officer might reasonably have believed he was confronted with an emergency in which delay necessary to obtain a warrant under the circumstances threatened the destruction of evidence. So, if there's, let's say, a bad accident, they got to cut the person out, not a routine DWI case. They do not need a warrant, otherwise they do need a warrant. And that's State versus Jones, 441 NJ Super 317. For other information on DWI and other criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth for Cameron in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.